Somewhere in the Arizona desert, there are over 4,000 aircraft, parked in perfect rows, stretching as far as the eye can see. No passengers, no crew, no destination. Just silence, heat, and aluminum, slowly baking under the desert sun. This is the boneyard. And it holds secrets most people never get to see. The largest aircraft graveyard in the world sits at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona. It covers over 2,600 acres, roughly the size of 4 Central Parks. The reason this specific desert was chosen is pure physics. Tucson sits at 2,400 feet elevation. The air is dry, less than 3% humidity on average. Low humidity means no corrosion. No corrosion means aircraft parked here can survive for decades without rusting into uselessness. The hard alkaline soil is so compacted that aircraft can be towed across it without needing paved surfaces. Nature built the perfect storage facility, and the U.S. military moved in. The official name is AMARG, Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group. Over 300 specialist workers maintain, catalog, and preserve every single aircraft on the property. Each plane that arrives goes through a meticulous process. Engines are fogged with preservative oil. Every opening intakes, exhausts, cockpit vents is sealed with a bright yellow plastic coating called Spraylat. The yellow coating reflects UV radiation and keeps the interior temperature from destroying electronics and seals. From the air, the boneyard looks like a city of yellow-nosed ghosts. There are B-52 bombers here that first flew during the Cold War. F-14 Tomcats, the jets from Top Gun. Their wings folded for storage, waiting in the desert since 2006. C-130 Hercules transports, A-10 Warthogs, and rows upon rows of commercial airliners. Boeing 747s, 737s, Airbus A320s. That airlines could no longer afford to fly. After the pandemic collapsed air travel in 2020. At one point in 2020, over 800 commercial aircraft were parked at the Mojave Air and Spaceport. In California alone, the largest concentration of grounded commercial aircraft in aviation history. But the boneyard is not just a graveyard. It is also a hospital and a parts warehouse. Approximately 80% of aircraft stored here are kept in a condition called Type 1000 inches storage, meaning they can be returned to flying status within a matter of weeks, if needed. During the Gulf War, the military reactivated over 100 aircraft from storage in less than 30 days. Individual parts pulled from boneyard aircraft saved the U.S. government an estimated $6 billion per year. Compared to buying new components, a single engine removed from a stored B-52 can save $3 million versus ordering a replacement. The boneyard is not where aircraft go to die. It is where they wait, in silence, in case they are needed again. Some have been waiting for 50 years, some will wait forever. And some, pulled back from the desert dust, will fly again. The sky never truly lets them go. Follow for more untold stories from the world of aviation.